If you guys want to get an East Indian Rosewood fingerboards, finest quality, we have best quality East Indian Rosewood in stock. Amazing quality, guys. Give us a call. California Exotic Hardwoods and California Luthier Supplies, Anaheim, California. So all legally harvested, legally stamped, legally procured East Indian Rosewood fingerboards, backs and sides. You can see here the stamp right there. Or legally stamped by the Forestry Department, DFO, KGLM, the Forestry Department stamped on it. So every box is stamped. You can see here the stamps made by the Forestry Department. So nobody can open the seal until it clears the customs, until we get it here. So if you guys want to buy East Indian Rosewood, give us a call. Buy straight from us in wholesale prices. Best quality fingerboards, backs and sides, anything you want. Thousands and thousands of pieces in stock. So your shipments coming every month. So if you guys want to get more best quality East Indian Rosewoods for your custom built guitars, or any kinds of your box makings, or any kinds of your projects, I mean ideally fit for any kinds of projects, give us a call. California Exotic Hardwoods and California Luthier Supplies, Anaheim, California. Check it out. Best quality dark, straight grains, quarter zone, tight East Indian Rosewood. Guys, don't miss this opportunity. Buy straight from us. Have all legal certified with all legal documents. Best time to buy the quality Tonewoods. This time the shipping is difficult to get. You know, all the ocean freight is going up and everything is difficult to find right now because moving shipments to California take a long time. The shipping charges going up crazy. So this scenario, hard to find East Indian Rosewood in a good quality in a timeline is very important. Time is money right now. So if you guys want to buy an inventory and stock it some, take an opportunity to buy some, because right now the ocean freight is going up. It's difficult to get quality material on time delivery. We have best quality East Indian Rosewoods arrived. We have approximately 20 pallets in stock. That's all about 30,000 pieces. Each of the pallets are like a few thousand pieces. Yeah, you guys looking to buy finest quality. If you want to get any rosewood with some sapwood with the beautiful colors on it, give us a call. If you want a tight grains, if you want a darker color, if you got a tight grains, you have in stock. California Exotic Hardwoods and California Luthier Supplies, Anaheim, California. Thank you.